Feet Geeks back again with another video. This time, you already see what it is. It's about the Rookie of the Year, Jordan 1. First off, I want to show you about this shoe. It's the premium leather they use. I know they like to use a lot of different leathers on the Jordan 1s, but I'm really glad they used the tumble leather on this one. As you can get the close-up, you can see the texture on it. This is premium leather right here, not the cheap stuff. Next, they use the really good suede. Not the new buck, not the cheap stuff, but real premium suede. Like the suede on your Timberlands. This what kind of suede this is. The good stuff. I really like these shoes. Not because of just the colorway and the look, because of some of the other special things they got on them. If you open up this flap here, it has the quote that MJ used when he received his Rookie of the Year award. It says, "This award is nice, but I just feel it's very important for each individual to go out and contribute to his own team." MJ. On the other flap, got his Rookie of the Year stats. In the year 1984 to 85, he scored, ironically, 23, 13. Also, he averaged 28.2 points his rookie season. He was a beast. 28 points your rookie season, you a beast. Another thing I like about this shoe that you rarely see is this part right here is leather. You know, this part is usually like cloth material, but they really use leather, a nice thick piece of leather, and then they put the Nike Air on it. That's very dope. These shoes released this weekend. I know it's a lot of hype on them. We was able to get a pair in right now. They even look better when you put the red shoestrings in them. Overall, I give this shoe a 10 out of 10. Hope you can get a pair this weekend. If not, you can hit us up. We might have your size available. As always, like and subscribe to our videos and stay tuned. We got a lot more heat coming. Peace.